All right, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since the last time I uploaded. I got maybe 2 videos coming, one before this and then this one. Anyways, let's get to the good stuff. I got some more mods for the WRX. They're nothing crazy. It's just light stuff because I have a base model. So I got the rear fog light that's gonna go here. And my sister also bought me the front fog lights, so I'm gonna be putting those on today as well. So anyway, stay tuned for that, but we're gonna get started. I don't think this is gonna be like a how-to video. This is just gonna be more of a time lapse and me figuring out how to do this and talking. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. So you guys can see before where there's no brake light, and then we'll come up here. The car is looking clean. I just washed it the other day, gave it a really nice deep clean. And then this is also the before. Okay, that wasn't hard. I just had to get under there, loosen this piece a little bit with some clips that are here. I don't know if you can see those. And then there's 2 tabs at the bottom of this that I just pushed up. I didn't even have to like do a lot. I just pushed them up. Then they kind of like sat in this little spot. And then I just pushed it out from there. I didn't even have to use a lot of pressure. It wasn't hard at all. But this is the spot where the new, if I can find where I put it, there it is, where the new fog light is gonna go, which is basically, for me, is really just gonna act as my third brake light. So yeah, it has sequentials and everything. I got these cables all exposed. I think what I'm gonna do is electrical tape them. I just bought some today on the way up here, but we're gonna clean this little slot out because that looks crazy. So we're gonna clean that out and get this mounted in here, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, it's in there. It took a little bit of finagling, but it's in there now finally. So now that this is mounted up and it's in there solid, like it's not coming out at all. Like it's connected to the bumper, but that's in there. So now we're just gonna have to come back up here and get all these wires situated in where they need to go. I already got it going through the grommet, and it's pretty tight. Like there's not a lot of room between there, so I'm not worried about like water or anything like that. And I think I might have to do both sides because there's a left turn signal thingy and a right turn signal one. I got a lot of wires to work with here, so yeah, hopefully we get this right on the first go, because yeah. All right guys, so I tried to record the rest of the video for my fog lights, and basically what happened was something weird with my GoPro. I use a GoPro so I can vlog, but my GoPro screen like just stopped working. Like I would turn it on, like the power was on and it would like record, but I couldn't see what I was recording. So I ended up like not filming the rest of the video. I probably could have used my phone, but I wasn't sure like if there would be like a quality change, and I was like, I don't want to do that. But anyways, I got my rear fog light on. It works. I'm going to insert a clip in the video so that you guys can see that and like how it works. I'm gonna also insert like I'm gonna do like a little table how I wired it, so like in case you got that same rear fog light and you're like, what the fuck is the wires? I'll insert like a little table on like how I did those wires and like what I connected to what, so that if you needed help you can figure out what you need to do, because I could not find nothing. I just winged it. It worked. So yeah, but also I did my front fog lights. Oh my god, the after looks crazy. Like I'm gonna do it before and after to show you guys. but I also didn't get to record that, but it was super straightforward. I'll try to link the video that I used to like learn how to wire mine. I have them set up to where I don't have the switch in the car. It's just directly plugged into my headlights. So when I turn on my headlights, my fog lights come on too. But the car looks so freaking great right now. I also got another video for you guys. It's probably going to be like more of a like maintenance-y video, but there's a surprise in that video for another mod that I just got on the car. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more mods for the WRX and other car related content. Hopefully I can start doing some like cars and coffee videos, mods to my friends' cars, etc. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah.